Woo, it's loaded baked potato soup day. Hey friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Laura, and today we are going to make a loaded creamy potato soup, but Crockpot style. So it is a super easy one to make, and we're going to go through all of the steps together today. What I love about this soup is this is the going to be the base of the soup, meaning it's kind of potato soup, I say naked, because you can always add like broccoli to it or some chicken or some ham. But today we're going to add some cheddar cheese and some bacon and some chives on top. Once you learn this recipe, which is super easy, like I had said, it does give you a nice base soup to kind of throw almost anything that you've got in the house into the soup. That's what I love about soups, right? You can kind of just throw this, that, and the everything in it once you learn the basics of the soup. So let's get into it. First of all, you're going to start with your crock pot. I'm going to turn it on low. And you're going to have two options with this soup today. Low for 6 hours, and you can put it on high for 3 hours. So depending on if you're heading out the door to go to work or run some errands or whatever. So you've got a 3 hour choice and a 6 hour choice. And we're going to get started here. So here we have 6 peeled russet medium-sized potatoes, and I diced them up. So you want to dice them up kind of in the same size. Now, for video purposes, I did throw them in some water so they would not brown up. So that's what you're going to start out with. So I am going to take a second and I'm going to drain this water off. All right, so we're going to take our potatoes now that we've turned our crock pot on, and we're going to dump them all into the crock pot. Pretty easy, right? And now we are going to take one small onion, and I diced that up as well. And I'm going to toss that in on the top. I'm going to add a little bit of salt. So I'm going to give it some flavor here. I'm going to add a little bit of pepper. And I'm going to add 4 cups of chicken broth. So it's about 1 box. This is 32 ounces or 4 cups. So I'm going to add the whole box in. And I'm going to give the whole crock pot a nice stir. So let's review here. 6 medium-sized russet potatoes, peeled and diced, a white onion or a sweet onion diced, whole onion diced, some salt and pepper, 4 cups of chicken broth. So now I'm going to place the top on the crock pot, and I have my crock pot on low. It's going to go for 6 hours. Okay, so now after 6 hours, the potato soup is ready for the second part. I'm going to add some heavy whipping cream and some cheddar cheese. Now this has cooked for 6 hours on low. I'm going to lift the top off, and you can see all of the potatoes in there. And what we're going to do is we're going to take a potato masher, and we're just going to kind of gently smash some of the potatoes, because with the loaded potato soup, we don't want it all mashed up because then it would be mashed potatoes, right? So we're just going to give some of it kind of a gentle crushing of the potatoes. And like I said, this is a super easy recipe. We're going to garnish it today with bacon and some chives. So you can kind of see that I'm not smashing it all up, but I'm smashing just a little bit of it up. So you can see that the chunks aren't as big as when we started. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to add 1 cup of cheddar cheese. We're going to give that a nice stir in. You can kind of see it's going to start melting pretty quickly, moving into the soup. And then I'm going to add 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. I'm going to kind of stir this in. This is where the magic's happening.
Oh, yeah.
Look at that. So good. So it really has a nice creamy look and texture to it. But if it's too loose, you can add a little bit of cornstarch and water in about a half hour. You can take a look at it if it's still too loose. But I don't think mine will be, because I've made this before and I know exactly what's going to happen over the next half hour. So I'm going to give this just a nice stir. And I'm going to add just a pinch more of salt. And of course, you can taste this along the way too. But I just know I always add salt and pepper back to the end of our process here. I'm going to give it another stir. So we're going to put the lid back on, and we're going to let it cook here for 30 more minutes. All right, let's take a look at this creamy potato loaded crock pot soup here, folks. All right, so here we go. We've let it cook again for another half hour. So you've got the nice creamy chunks. You see that? Oh, does it ever smell divine? Mm-hmm. Oh man, is this good. So on top, we're going to garnish it with some more cheese. Gotta love the cheese, right?
Enough cheese.
So we're going to grab the cheese on top there. I'm going to put a little bit of bacon on top. Oh, we got to add a little bit more bacon than that, right? So there's that. And then we're also going to put some green onion on top. Add some beautiful color. And look at that. I mean, look at how beautiful that loaded potato soup is, crock pot style. And let's give it a taste.
All right, here we go.
Ooh, is it hot?
I can smell it over here. It's great.
That is perfect. Yeah! Perfection. And this is definitely a 10 out of 10. And thanks for watching.